Have you considered mining Duino-Coin, but you don't have any boards to mine it with? This is the video for you, because I'm gonna explain exactly what type of things you can do to actually mine Duino-Coin without owning any boards. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We hit 100 subs, which is amazing. Thank you all for that. And let's jump straight into the video. First things first, there are a few ways to mine Duino-Coin without any board. You have internet, you can use your PC or CPU, and you can use your phone. We're gonna start with the web miner. This is a website where you can mine Duino-Coin just using your internet. First, you type in your name in the web wallet and then the amount of threads you want to use. It's really simple, you don't need to add your rig name or your mining key. You can just press start mining and that's basically it. It won't give you that much Duno per day, but it's an easy way to start mining without owning any boards. The second way to mine Duno is to use an Android phone. Sadly, this is not available for Apple, but you can download an APK from the Duinocoin website. After that, you press the APK file and it starts downloading the app. After you open the app, you can see a screen where you can enter your username and the amount of threads you want to use for mining Duno. My advice would be to start with 8 threads. It's an average what you normally use when mining, for example with a PC or in this case a phone. You can always bump it up to 32 or even lower as 4 or 6, but my advice would be to use 8 threads. The only thing left to do then is just to hit start and then you're all set up. Make sure your phone doesn't go into lock mode. You need to have your phone open in order to mine the coin. The third option is a little bit more complicated, but you can do this on your PC or laptop. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right now. So let's start from the beginning. The first thing you want to do is go to duinocoin.com. It's basically the main site of Duinocoin, where you can find everything about every board, the developments, how you invest. Basically everything you want to know about Duinocoin is on this website. What you want to do is scroll down a little bit until you see for miners and getting started guide. You press this button. Here you see everything you need to know about mining Duinocoin. Once you get on this page, what you want to do is scroll down a little bit until you see download the latest release. Here you click the latest release page and it will send you to github.com and the post by Revox. Here you scroll down a little bit below until you see all the assets that are here. In my case I use Windows instead of Linux, so I press the Windows one and it starts downloading at the bottom immediately. Once you've downloaded the zip file, this is what you see. It's basically everything for every board. What you want to do is make a quick new folder on your desktop. I don't know, let's call it Duno. And you want to extract everything in this folder. So for me, that's Duno. Extract. After you've downloaded the files from duinocoin.com, you want to visit python.org and download the latest version of Python and able to run it. Make sure you click on Windows or Linux in your case to actually download the correct file. Once you open the download for Python, you want to make sure on the bottom here you add Python to path. This is a really important step because otherwise it probably won't work. After you downloaded Python, you want to use this URL to download another zip file made by Revox. You also want to extract this one to the same file that you extracted the first one. So now I also have a folder called Duinocoin master with everything in it. What you now want to do is go to the bottom of your screen and type in cdm, which gives you the command prompt. Once you've opened the command prompt, what you want to do is type cd space the exact location that your master folder is saved in. So in my case, is it in this folder, and then there's another folder called Duinocoin master, and just hit enter. Here you want to type py space -m pip install space -r space requirements.text. Now it should start to install all the required pip dependencies that you've downloaded. And if you're done, you're all good to go, and you can launch the software just by double clicking the desired py files or the PC miner in the command prompt. So now it's done. We can go to this file of the master and open the PC miner. We see that the miner is up to date. And what we need to do now is fill in the data about our web wallet. So in my case, my username is Beckiesel. For the next line, it asks you for a mining key. This is only required if you activated this option in the web wallet. In my case, I didn't yet, so I'm just pressing enter for now. The mining intensity is 1 to 100%. Well, obviously you can use 100%. It says it's recommended to use 95%, but that's probably all of your CPU usage. So you could also use like, well, guess who fucked up the recording? Well, at least I fucked up a little bit of the recording, so I'm gonna go right after this. But the basic thing I said was about the difficulty, how high you want to set the difficulty, obviously how much efficiency you want to do, and how much you're gonna donate to the development. And let's go straight further with the video. I'm pressing 5 and press enter. So now it's done. My PC is mining Duino-Coin. I didn't have to buy anything, I just had to set it up. It took a little bit of time, but it works. And everyone can do this. It's really easy. And yeah, now you're mining Duino-Coin. Anyway, that's everything for now. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have seen my previous video, I'm accepting applications for another community showcase. So if you want to show me your rig, you can send me a DM in Discord, and I'll make sure your rig is in the next video. Ciao.